In this video, we will show you a guide to creating a non-fungible token, or NFT. Tokens called non-fungible token NFT are cryptographic assets that represent an intangible and unique digital item like a photo, an in-game collectible, or a tweet that other assets cannot replace because they have a set of exceptional features. It is possible to use each NFT as an evidence of validity and ownership because they are all unique, restricted in quantity, and cannot be interchanged. Welcome to Crypto Coach, where we use analogies, tales, and examples to make even the most complex concepts simple to grasp. Metadata and unique identifiers, like a barcode, identify NFT from one another. Metadata is a term used to describe the information contained within an asset. By using metadata, rather than the actual object itself, buyers and sellers are able to transact on an item's value. Physical qualities like rarity improvements can be replicated using NFT. Fungible products, on the other hand, can be traded since their value, not their distinctive characteristics, distinguishes them. Only when used in conjunction with the physical goods are digital items valid. NFT were first prototyped as colored coins in 2012, while the Bitcoin network was still experimenting with new sorts of assets. During the 7-on-7 conference at the New Museum in New York City in 2014, the first asset representing a non-fungible marketable blockchain marker was produced as an experiment. NFT for digital collectibles and art are still the most talked about NFT in the crypto community. But there are more and more applications for them. Tokenization of real-world things, patents, membership sales, and loyalty programs are just a few of the many applications that they can be used for, in addition to the usual suspects like digital art and gaming. The benefits of NFT technology can be combined with the decentralized financial systems capabilities, or DeFi. This can be done, for example, by using non-fungible tokens as collateral to secure a loan. NFT can be created by anyone who wants to sell or share their digital works such as content, art, music, and photography. NFT are becoming increasingly popular, and this tutorial is here to help you get in on the action. Creating NFT is a rather straightforward task. Users can, for example, choose their content and obtain a cryptocurrency wallet. They just need to find a reputable NFT market and follow the instructions that come with it. NFT can be distributed or sold to friends or collectors once they are generated. Learn more about how NFT are created in the following guide. Every Day. The First 5,000 Days by Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, was purchased by an NFT collector for $69.3 million, making this NFT the most expensive in the history of crypto art. The CryptoPunks collection, which began in 2015 on the Ethereum blockchain, comprises 10,000 pixelated photos of punks with a unique set of traits and sells for thousands of dollars. The question is, what are these digital works really worth? And why are people willing to pay so much for them? Each and every day for the past 13.5 years, Beeple has been creating his Everyday's collage, which includes 5,000 illustrations. Many of the most popular NFT collections, however, do not necessitate a very involved effort from the author. In other words, if you want to be an NFT artist, you need to have a clear vision of what you want to do and be extremely imaginative. Even if you aren't Leonardo da Vinci, but you have a lot of ideas, making an NFT is definitely worth trying. As an added bonus, this could be a terrific starting point for artists who are already working on Beeple-like pieces in their digital studios, ready to be marketed as NFT. In reality, an unknown artist's innovative and appealing work of digital art will not be as popular as works by celebrities like Canadian singer Grimes' 10 digital paintings, which sold for about $6 million, Kings of Leon's NFT releases, which sold for $2 million, or an exciting NFT that presents Jack Dorsey's very first tweet, which sold for more than $3 million. NFT technology, on the other hand, is great for preserving scarcity and establishing ownership of digital and physical goods. In contrast to the rigid business models of the conventional creative industries, it provides digital producers with a wide range of possibilities for monetizing their work. Non-fungible tokens are a safe and verifiable way to sell digital material on the internet. To top it all off, the NFT platform provides artists with unrestricted access to a global community of art enthusiasts. To make an NFT, the technique is neither expensive nor complicated. You don't need to know any programming to make an NFT. Which format should you use, and what should you include in your content? First, NFT makers need to decide on the format of their NFT. They have the ability to create a non-redeemable token from any media file. An image, text, audio, or video file can all be included in the digital painting. Creative products like crypto collectibles, virtual objects like avatars, weapons, and currencies, as well as virtual land in metaverses are also available. Everything digital these days seems like it could be an NFT, so there's plenty of room for new ideas from the community. A high-res artistic portrayal of Professor George Church's genetic data, the first person to ever sequence their own DNA, is an example. Non-digital tokenized real-world commodities, from real estate and diamonds to high-end designer sneakers, all of which are sold in NFT, are still in use today. As far as the format goes, the creators enjoy absolute freedom of choice. It could be influenced by the subject matter of their artwork and their imagination. Take note that after deciding what content and in what format they wish to portray as an NFT, the authors will need to convert it to an acceptable file type, especially if it is not already digital. PNG and GIF files are the most commonly used formats for storing images on the internet. PDF files are commonly used for texts, whereas music and video are typically stored in MP3 and MP4 formats, respectively. Here's a guide to the creation and minting of NFT. Their one-of-a-kindness is what gives NFT their high market price. At times, users may wish to duplicate their work in order to have many exact copies on hand. For example, if you're selling a collectible, you might have multiple versions, some of which are more unique than others. In this situation, you must decide how many identical copies of a given NFT you will include in the blockchain, because this number will be fixed and your NFT will be impervious to any revisions after their creation. Minting is a term used to describe the process of generating a non-fungible token. To put it another way, it's the process of converting a digital thing into an asset on the blockchain. Once they are developed, NFT are minted and put into circulation in the same way as metal coins. A tamper-proof, more secure, and more difficult to modify digital item is the end result of this procedure. Non-fungible tokens can be bought and sold, as well as digitally monitored when they are resold or collected again in the future. When a referred item is sold, several NFT technologies allow the original inventor to get a commission. As soon as their digital product is sold, artists can earn passive revenue from the sale price of the token they used to create it. They can get money if their work becomes more popular and valuable. Once you've signed your NFT and paid the gas fee, you may begin the minting procedure. This new NFT will be visible to you once the transaction has been confirmed. Which NFT marketplace should I use? The process of minting NFT begins with deciding on a platform, and the best option depends on a variety of factors, including the type of blockchain, supporting standards and formats, ease of use, and the cost per NFT to mint. ERC-721 was the first Ethereum blockchain standard for non-fungible digital assets. There is a semi-fungibility to the ERC-1155 standard. For the first time, the ERC-1155 token's unique identity symbolizes an entire class of fungible assets, which the user can transfer to others in any quantity. Templates for NFT that can be either non-fungible or fungible are provided by ERC-compliant components. NFT aren't exclusive to Ethereum. While most platforms are Ethereum-based, Cosmos, Polkadot, and Binance Smart Chain are examples of non-Ethereum NFT marketplaces that are part of blockchain ecosystems. NFT marketplaces all operate in slightly different ways, with their own set of guidelines and advantages and disadvantages. As an example, some of the NFT have been curated, while others are self-serve. The cost of NFT creation differs between systems, and certain marketplaces don't accept certain file types. Depending on the platform, new users may be intimidated by a complicated user interface. At this time, the crypto industry has a large number of NFT marketplaces. With the advent of free, open platforms, the curated model has been challenged by non-curated ones. Users merely need to register and pay the transaction price to mint a token to upload NFT. OpenSea, a non-curated platform that allows users to mint and trade NFT, examine data on them, and check statistics, is one of the options. When it was first launched in 2017, OpenSea was able to store nearly all of the cryptocurrency art collections and a large number of things from many popular blockchain games. Non-fungible tokens can be created in a matter of minutes using the platform's simple and intuitive creation interface. Rarible, a self-service platform linked to OpenSea, is another large marketplace. Although the procedure of generating an NFT on Rarible is quite similar to that on OpenSea, its functionality differs. As an illustration, there are fewer formats to choose from, and artworks are also smaller in size. In spite of this, Rarible has a lot of traffic and lets users mint tokens before selling them, whereas OpenSea manages minting the tokens once they've already been sold. Curated platforms, in contrast to self-service ones, are more picky when it comes to content creators. Creators must submit an application form with tough selection criteria and a protracted wait for the expert's verdict before they can begin selling digital material on Super Rare or Nifty Gateway. So, how do we go about getting our hands on some cryptocurrency? To run a blockchain system, you must have a wallet for your coin. User accounts are essential for signing transactions and keeping track of their balances in accordance with the basic principles of blockchain technology. Because NFT marketplaces do not maintain user account information, they are more secure. There are a number of cryptocurrency wallet apps that may be used to buy and store cryptocurrencies on smartphones. For those new to the blockchain, many of these resources are geared on helping people understand transaction costs, security, and privacy issues. If you want to use blockchain-based applications, there are a ton of crypto wallets and extensions you may use. A 12-word access seed phrase provides additional protection beyond the standard email address and password. The most crucial thing to check before creating a wallet is that the cryptocurrency you wish to use is supported by the platform you intend to use it on. On the blockchain, users must pay a gas fee to manufacture tokens. The computer power required to process and confirm blockchain transactions is referred to as the gas fee, which is a price paid by the user. The maximum amount of gas that a user is willing to spend on a single transaction is known as the gas limit. Demand for creating transactions has a big impact on the amount that gas prices change. Depending on the market, it could cost anywhere from $10 to $100. Weekends have lower gas prices because less people are transacting. Therefore, fans can save money if they are minting a large number of products. There is a difference between multiple minting and double minting, which relates to minting the same NFT numerous times. Users are not limited to minting the same digital object twice and reselling it as a new NFT on a different NFT marketplace. If the user's reputation is damaged by the devaluation of the specified NFT and any future digital item that the user wishes to sell, the user's credibility is at risk. A digital item's file should be encrypted with an invisible code so that double minting can be avoided. On their cell phones and PC, customers may then access NFT sales receipts by downloading a cryptocurrency wallet program that allows them to accept crypto and convert it into regular money.